We've changed our mind. We're going Hornet racing.
Well, it's Sunday about 2 o'clock. Doug and I just picked up the hauler from Daryn's. We are taking it back to the shop. Gonna get her cleaned up. Got a laundry list of stuff that needs fixed on it. Grind never stops. It's been raining off and on all morning. Gonna be a quick turnaround this week, or not so much, but they're gonna be ready to go in the box Thursday to head to Farmer City Friday. Made it back to the shop. Gonna come a little storm here in about 10 minutes. Gonna rain for about 15-20 minutes. Got the front of it all soaked down with bug remover. Let Mother Nature help us wash the bugs off of it. If you guys are looking for a good bug remover that's pretty inexpensive, we use Chemical Guys bug and tar remover. I think this is about 20 bucks, and it makes about 50 of these jugs. You don't mix it very strong. You can pretty much just wipe the bugs off. Doesn't do anything for tar, but works masterfully on bugs. Highly recommend the Chemical Guys bug and tar remover. Well, so much for it only raining for 15 minutes. It's coming down pretty good right now. Got the generator radiator washed out. Now we gotta work on the air conditioner. As soon as it slacks up, put some coil cleaner on it. Let it ooze all that muck out of the coil, and hopefully that will help it work better. Mother Nature's helping us wash. Well, Doug's been on the roof starting to undo all this. I gotta stay down here so I can undo the stuff down here that needs to be undone. That's getting changed. Got all the covers off the air conditioners. Got the filters washed out and drying. We got a new fan motor ordered for this one because it's got a bad bearing out of it. It sounds horrible. After cleaning out the condenser coil on the trailer yesterday, it seems to be cooling. But we're still gonna have Conan, our sponsor, come look at it. He's gonna come tomorrow. It appears our air tank drain's getting clogged up again. I just got it open. Water's dripping out of it. We got this running, checking it out. It has dropped the temperature in there. However, the line's sweating a little bit. For anybody that knows anything about air conditioning, it should be doing that. I was hoping for a little better than what it is, but it's been running about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It was 85 in here when I turned it on. See what it is now. Definitely a big temperature change. Thermostat showing 75, so it's dropped at 10 degrees, but we're not in the sun, so should drop it quicker. So we're at 13 degree split. Not real great. Like to see a little better than that, but let's see. Let her run and see what she does. Because it wouldn't work at all Saturday. It would just kick out on high head pressure after like a minute or so. That's from the condenser coil being chocked full of dirt. Checking things off the list. Hope to get to this tonight, put a new winch remote in because the other one sucks. It's start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. If you're not standing in exactly the perfect spot, that one should do better.
Got the air conditioner filters out here drying.
And we got to get a new trim piece to go around the inside, but she works. Hit the button, she opens up, fan turns on. That way when we're taking a shower, it sucks all the humidity and steam out instead of running all the wood and drying it out. Well, now that we've got the winch unmounted, we can get into it to where we need to be to put this new remote in. Pain in the butt. Oh, it's nice to have a working winch remote.
No, I'll take it.
Got a new trim piece for our bathroom exhaust fan.
Now, what about the plugs?
We got new ones of them.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me run over and get
Doug just changed the oil on the generator. It was due. We've got one of our main sponsors, Conan Heating and Air Conditioning, here, checking out our air conditioner on the trailer. Making sure it's fixed up as we get into the hotness. Hudson's having a big time. Well, the good news is it quit while he was here like it did Saturday night. Ran it for 3 hours last night, no issues. Scratching our heads. Well, she's working for now. I got some fixing to do. Doug just changed the blower motor. Moment of truth. Oh, wrong one. She's quiet.
make sure she cools.
It's Thursday night. Getting ready to do the rig shuffle. Doing the hauler shuffle. About 10 minutes from Daryn's. Could come a monsoon this afternoon. Chance of rain the rest of the weekend. See how many we get in. I won't be there Friday night and Sunday night, but I will be there Saturday night. Ditches are definitely flowing. They get pop-up showers like that at the racetrack, we won't be racing. Doing a little tag team on the tire work. Max is cutting, I'm siping. Uncle B's under there putting load shocks on so this one can go in the box. Daryn's dyno and shocks for that thing. And I don't know what Doug's doing, but we're getting stuff done. The red Rocket fits, it ships.
We've changed our mind. We're going Hornet racing.
Yeah, I agree.
You're good. You're clear.
Well, that was close. Yeah, once you got in, you'd probably be fine.
I told him, I said, if it fits, we'll take it to Fairview.
Yeah. Screw that extra car.